What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Naomi, and I'm back with another video. So your girl hit 30k. We hit 30k. Well, actually I'm at 31k because I've been gaining like crazy lately, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for all your support. Today I'm bringing you guys an up-to-date bralette cup tutorial, so if you guys are interested in that, be sure to keep on watching. I know my last one was like, it wasn't hard to understand, but you know, obviously it's almost like fast forward a year and things have changed. So I decided to redo this video for you guys. Before we get into the video, be sure to check out my Patreon. I'll have the link down below in my description box. And for those who do decide to financially support me, you get great incentives, like I give free patterns as I create them. Also, so as I promised you guys a giveaway for hitting 30k, a lot of you guys are suggesting hooks, stuff made by me, or like even a little basket for beginners if you are a beginner. So with that being said, I'm taking your suggestions. I'm gonna be picking 3 winners. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video in order to be entered into the giveaway. I will be looking in the comments so I see all of you guys, no worries. And I'll be mentioning the winners in my next video that I upload. I'm super excited to bring a lot of new content for you guys. And like I said, thank you guys so much for always supporting me. Without further ado, let's just get into the video.
Naomi got the drip, you need to come and see. She switching up her hair, her makeup stay on fleek. Got CROCHET on her hips, she never miss a beat. She showing off her style with a new video this week. Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie. Naomi got the drip, you need to come and see. She showing off her style with a new video this week.
So to begin off, you're going to need your size 4 yarn, a 3.5mm hook, and you're going to need a pair of scissors. I tried to record a video with, you know, the sound, but it was a fail, so I'm going to have to give y'all this voiceover though. So as you can see, we're creating this bra cup. This is going to be my up-to-date bra cup tutorial video. So if you guys would like to see how I do this, be sure to keep on watching. Like I said in the beginning, like, comment, and subscribe. And let's just get into the video. Real quick, so the way I work my bra cups is I start off with the chain that's from the nipple down to under the boob, and then from there you're going to begin to work them left, right, and it works up into a pointy triangle as you can see. I will also be listing the basic chain numbers that I start off for each cup size if you would like to know what I use, and honestly for me it works perfectly fine, so I never had any issues. And it should pop up now. So as you can see, A cup 12 chains, B cup 14, C cup 17, D cup 18, double D 20, and DDD and up is going to be between 22 to 25. So to begin your work, you're going to start off by making a slip knot. If you don't know how to do a slip knot, I'm actually showing you in the video how to do a slip knot, so pay attention. And like I said, I'm using a 3.5mm hook. You can use whatever hook you'd like, but I always go to 3.5mm. So yeah, you're just going to make like a little knot, insert your hook, and tighten it up on your hook. If you are a B cup, you are in luck because I am making it for a B cup today. So to begin your work, you're going to start off by making a chain of 14. As you can see in the left corner, I'll keep the number up just so you guys can go back and reference it. So I'm going to make a chain of 14, and when you have your 14, you're going to block off and chain an additional 2. And basically the chain up 2 is going to count as a half double crochet. So now you're going to go back to the 4th chain from the hook, and you're going to insert a half double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. Then you're just going to work a half double crochet in each stitch till you reach the end of the row. So once you reach the last stitch that you inserted a half double crochet into, you're going to insert another half double crochet into the same stitch. This is going to help give our bralette cup a pointier top, or like the triangle look. So you should have a total of 2 half double crochets. Then for the middle, you're going to chain 1. And then you're going to go back into that same exact stitch and add 2 more half double crochets. And then after that, you're just going to work half double crochets along the back row. If you're a beginner, make sure you're counting your stitches. I've been doing this for a while, so I don't really have to count my stitches anymore. But you want to make sure that you're not skipping any stitches, because your work can start to be lopsided. So counting is very important if you're a beginner. Please count your stuff so you don't have to start over. So as you can see, we have our first row done. You're going to chain up 2. The chain up 2 does not count as a half double crochet, so you're going to insert a half double crochet into the very first stitch, and then you're going to continue to work half double crochets till you reach the top again. And then when we get to the top, I'll tell you guys what to do next. When you reach the top, as you can see, there's a small hole from the chain 1. So you're going to insert 2 half double crochets straight into that little hole that we created. And then you're going to chain 1 and insert 2 more half double crochets. This is going to help keep your work working straight up so your holes are not misplaced, and it's going to help keep the hole small so you know it's not really see-through. And you're going to continue to work a half double crochet in each stitch till you reach the end of the row. So the rest of it is really just repetition. You're going to chain up 2 and repeat working the same exact thing that I just showed you guys until you reach your desired width to cover your boobs. I did a total of 11 rows, but it really just depends. Anywhere between 10 to 12 is normally pretty good for each size up. But like I said, if you want more coverage and you want, to not be as revealing, feel free to add more rows. Also, normally for the first cup, you'll normally cut off and fasten, but I didn't cut off and fasten just because I'm going to continue to work this into a bra. So this is what your bra cup should look like. Like I said, this is for a B cup, and if you want more coverage, feel free to add some more coverage on there. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure you enter in the giveaway like I said in the beginning, because if you don't enter in the giveaway, you can't win, baby. So make sure you enter by like, comment, subscribing, and sharing this video. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.
I know I gotta see you again.